Assalamualaikum class. Today we start chapter 7, introduction to Flash 8. So first of all, if you don't have Flash 8, then download in your computer and then press here, right here Flash 8 and then select it. So this window will be open. Here you can see three columns. First is open a recent item, second is create new, and third one is create from template. So I select this one, in which options Flash documents, Flash slide presentation, Flash form applications, action script file, and so on. So I select Flash document and this window will be appear. Here you can see parts. These are tools where you select any tool like pencil tool, bucket, and other tools. This portion is called timeline, and this portion is called stage, where graphics, text, and video clips are placed and movie is created. So first of all, we also check these tabs. This is file tab, edit, view, insert, modify, text, commands, controls, windows, and last one is help. So first we work in modify. Click here. You can see here documents, stamps, shape, and timeline here. So I select here document. Okay, this window will be appear. This is by default setting, dimensions 5 into 50 pixels for 400 pixels height, and match printer background color. Here you can select background colors, and so frame rate is 12. You can change this also. Ruler units is pixels. Okay, so these are all in modify. I set on. Okay, so this is already this one. Okay, next one is about command. We check here in Windows. There are options, toolbar, timeline, tools, and properties. So first click properties, and inside properties another properties again. Select this. This will be appear. Place this here on the down of the page. Now this come here down. Now you can see here in view tab there are grid and ruler. By default this is blank, but if you want to open grid, then click here show grid. Okay, you can see here horizontal and vertical lines will appear. Another thing, if you want to display here ruler, then click on ruler. You can see this ruler is appear here in vertical and horizontal both sides. After this you save your file, write as save or save as, like save this and write any name. By default here untitled 1, so you change it, write like chapter 7 about Flash and save it. Now after this, if you can see here drawing tools, you can select any tool and draw it. If I select here oval tool, by oval tool you can make like circle also. I want to close these grids also, so click here grid and click here again. This will be off. Now select this one and make any circle. Okay, you can see I select here green color, and this pencil is red, and its width is 1. You can increase the width of this, like I change it. I write by myself like suppose 3, and here I change the color, suppose blue color. Okay, now again you make So you can see this here, boundaries width become increase, and you can change the color also here. Now from rectangle tool, select again, change the color, which color you want, select this, okay, and make here. Okay, in rectangle tool, inside rectangle tool you can find other tools also. Here this is one thing, if you double press, this corner radius will appear. You can change this. For example, I write here 12, and okay, after this if I draw again, suppose I change the color here again and draw it here, you can see its corner become round. Okay, so if you select this again rectangle tool and left click here, you can see here polystar tool appear. Select this tool. Okay, now its shape become polystar, and if I double click here, you can change it. So I click here, you can see here I change the color, like another color, suppose okay this one, and boundary color I also change, for example this one, and draw here. So you can see you can increase or decrease the size. So this will be appear here. Here you can see options. In options you can change polygon as star. Okay, number of sides, how many number of sides of star you need, so you can change like 8. Okay, now you can make star now and change the color like okay pink, and suppose this one, and you can make star here. So you can see I select 8 corners, so this become 8 corners. These corners you select in polygon also. Now from tools, select this arrow, this is called selection tool, and you can see when I click here, this becomes selected and its color become changed. Now if I move this, you can see circle is here and this move here. Same if I drag this, this will move. Now you can see this portion is overlapped, so this become disappear. I move this, you can see this move here, and if I first select this and then move, you can see this move here. Okay, if I select this one, you can see this move, and its rectangle is here and this move. Okay, in this way you can move this. I select this and move. Okay, if you want to undo, Control and Z, this become undo, and now click here and then move, so you can see this move here. Last one is lasso tool. Lasso tool, this shape is lasso tool. This tool is used for selecting irregular shapes or irregular area. For example, if I select this like this one, this is not proper, and this will work like this one, and you select any part of this, so this work like this one. In this way you select irregular shape. So this is all in your chapter. I hope you understand this. This is very easy topic, just like drawing, but little bit different, that in drawing there is all portion, you can draw anything, any shape, but here limited shapes you can draw here. But in further next chapter we will learn about how to apply different things, sounds and movies like this one. So okay, assalamu alaikum.